Good afternoon, students. Today we will discuss with the journal entry with regard to how we are preparing a journal entry. Like in the previous classes also, maybe you are aware now how the journal entry is to be passed. So this one we will continue with that how to pass the journal entry. So I'm going to share that one. See, what is the entry for that? Started business with the 20,000, of which 12,000 is to be borrowed from Dana Bank. Sold goods to Sanjay 5,200, 40% of which were for cash. Then withdrew from bank for rupees 400 for office and rupees 300 for personal use. Then paid rupees 2,700 as life insurance premium of Sunil and rupees, that is how much? Rupees 2,300 as insurance premium of business premises. Then remuneration paid to office staff 2,400 by check. Purchased goods rupees 15,200, 15,000 at 20% of trade discount. But trade discount we are not yet considering that one. Then received rupees 2,800 in full settlement of rupees 2,850 from Sunil for goods supplied to him during the last month, and salary paid to Sumangal rupees 3,500, of which 2,900 were paid in cash and the balance in goods. So firstly, started business with the cash with the rupees 20,000, out of which 12,000 were borrowed from Dana Bank. So cash 12,000 Dana ബാങ്കിന്റെ ലോണും കൊണ്ടും അതുപോലെ ബാക്കിയുള്ളത് which one 8,000, that is what the normal cash. So what is the entry? Cash account debtor 20,000. See, to capital 20,000 minus 12,000, that is 8,000. To Dena Bank loan account 12,000. So that is the case. Cash account debtor to capital, that you know. Cash is coming into the business. Cash is new to the business. Okay. So cash account debtor to capital 8,000. To Dena Bank loan it is 12,000. Second case. Sold goods to Sanjay 5,200, 40% which was for cash. അപ്പം ക്യാഷ് സെയിൽസ് 40%, 5,200 40% മാത്രമേ എന്തുള്ളൂ ക്യാഷ് സെയിൽസ് ഉള്ളൂ. ബാക്കി ക്രെഡിറ്റ് സെയിലാണ്. അപ്പൊ സഞ്ജയ് ഡെറ്റർ ടു ക്യാഷ് അല്ലെ ടു സെയിൽസ്. സോ ഹൗ മച്ച് ഈസ് ദർ? 40% of 5,200, that is the cash. See, Sanjay debtor to sales and cash account debtor to sales. So that is for the cash sale. So 5,200 in the cash sale 40%. So it is 2,080, and 5,200 minus 2,080, that is 3,120. That is the sold goods for cash and credit 5,200. So cash account debtor, Sanjay debtor to sales. Third case is what? Withdraw from bank rupees 400 and for office use, and for 300 it is for personal use. So what is the entry? Withdrew from bank. So when it is withdrawal from bank, cash account debtor to bank, because the opposite of the deposit entry, that is the cash account debtor to bank. And for the drawings account debtor to bank, that is what? The second case, for 300 for the personal use. So cash account debtor 400, drawings account debtor 300 to bank, that is the which one? 700, that is cash withdrawn from bank for office and personal use. ഇവിടെ അങ്ങനെയാണ് പറഞ്ഞിരിക്കുന്നത്. വിഡ്രോ ഫ്രം ബാങ്ക്, ബാങ്കിൽ നിന്ന് വിഡ്രോ ചെയ്യുന്നു ഫുൾ ആയിട്ട്. മൊത്തം 7,000 വിഡ്രോ ചെയ്തു, അതിൽ 400 ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് ഫോർ ഓഫീസ്. അപ്പൊ അത് ഓഫീസ് പർപ്പസിന് വേണ്ടിയിട്ട്. സോ ദാറ്റ് എൻട്രി ക്യാഷ് അക്കൗണ്ട് ഡെറ്റർ ടു ബാങ്ക്. അതർ എൻട്രി ഡ്രോയിങ്സ് അക്കൗണ്ട് ഡെറ്റർ ടു ബാങ്ക് എത്രയാണ്? 300. സോ ക്യാഷ് അക്കൗണ്ട് ഡെറ്റർ 400, ഡ്രോയിങ്സ് അക്കൗണ്ട് ഡെറ്റർ 300 to bank, that is the 700. Then next, paid 2,700 as life insurance premium of Sunil, and out of that rupees 2,300 as insurance premium of business premises. So paid 2,700 as life insurance premium of Sunil. Sunilന്റെ life insurance premium പേ ചെയ്യുന്നു. ഓക്കെ. ആൻഡ് ബാക്കിയുള്ളതോ എന്താ പറഞ്ഞേ? 2,300 as insurance premium of business premises. So ഡ്രോയിങ്സ് അക്കൗണ്ട്, അതായത് ഇൻഷുറൻസ് പ്രീമിയം ഇത് ചെയ്യുന്നു, പേ ചെയ്യുന്നു. So that is the case. Drawings account 2,700. Then insurance premium account 2,300 to cash. That is the entry. Drawings account. See, paid premium on the life policy of Sunil and business premises. Our business premises വേണ്ടിയിട്ടാണ് ഇത് എന്ത് ചെയ്യുന്നത് വിഡ്രോ ചെയ്ത് കൊടുക്കുന്നത്. So that is why drawings account debtor to cash or sorry drawings account debtor to cash അത് ഒരു കേസ്. Then insurance premiumത്തിന്റെ രണ്ടാമത്തെ കേസ് that is the insurance premium or insurance account debtor to cash. So that is the two cases. Paid to 2,700 as life insurance premium of Sunil and 2,300 as insurance premium of business premises. Then remuneration paid to office staff 2,400 by check. So whenever an expense is there, that expense account is head is debited. So office expense, that is the remuneration expense എന്ന് പറയാം അല്ലെങ്കിൽ office expense എന്ന് പറയാം. Office expense account debtor to bank because it is paid by check. So that is office expense account debtor to bank. Then next, purchased goods 15,000 at 20% of trade discount. So you keep it in mind, trade discount is not to be entered in the accounting things. So after that, so 15,000 20%. So how much? 3,000. So only 12,000 we need to pass the entry. So purchase account debtor to cash because it is a credit, not a credit purchase, it is a cash purchase. But there is a 20% trade discount is allowed. അപ്പൊ 15,000 3,000 കുറച്ച് 12,000 പർച്ചേസിന് ഉള്ള എൻട്രി എഴുതിയാൽ മതി. അപ്പൊ അത് ക്രെഡിറ്റ് പർച്ചേസ് അല്ല, ക്യാഷ് പർച്ചേസ് ആണ്. സോ പർച്ചേസ് അക്കൗണ്ട് ഡെറ്റർ ടു ക്യാഷ്. That is the entry. See how much? 12,000. Because how it is to be 15,000 to 20%, that is 3,000. That difference 15,000 minus 3,000, that is the 12,000. Okay. Then purchased goods, that is also. Then received rupees 2,800 in full settlement of rupees 2,850 from Sunil for the goods supplied to him during the last month. So 2,800 കിട്ടി 2,850 പകരം 2,850 2,800 ആണ് കിട്ടിയത് 2,850 പകരം എവിടുന്ന്? സുനിലിന്റെ കയ്യിൽ നിന്ന്. സോ അതിന് എൻട്രി ക്യാഷ് അക്കൗണ്ട് ഡെറ്റർ 2,800, ഡിസ്കൗണ്ട് അലൗഡ് അക്കൗണ്ട് ഡെറ്റർ 50 ടു ആരാണ്? ടു സുനിൽ. സോ ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് വാട്ട്, that is the entry for that. Not Sunil, it is Suhas, not Sunil. Okay, sorry, it is Suhas. So cash account debtor, discount allowed account debtor to Suhas, that is the received 2,800 in full settlement for the 2,650 from Suhas. Clear? Sorry, 2,850 from Suhas. So that is cash account debtor, that is the amount received. Cash കിട്ടുകയാണ്. Okay. So cash is coming in, debit what comes in. Then expenses, discount allowed. It is an expense given to that particular person. So discount allowed account debtor to Suhas, that is the entry. And finally, salary paid to Sumangal, rupees 3,500, of which 2,900 were paid in cash and the balance like that in goods. So 3,500 salary pay ചെയ്യണം. അതിൽ 2,900 ക്യാഷിൽ പേ ചെയ്യുന്നുള്ളൂ. ഇപ്പൊ സാലറി അക്കൗണ്ട് ഡെറ്റർ ടു ക്യാഷ് ഇറ്റ് ഈസ് 2,900 and the balance in goods എന്തായിട്ട്? സാധനങ്ങളായിട്ട്. സോ ടു ആർക്കാണ്? ടു സെയിൽസ്, ബിക്കോസ് ഇറ്റ് ഈസ് എ ട്രീറ്റഡ് ആസ് സെയിൽസ്, വിക്കിയാണ്. അപ്പം സാലറി അക്കൗണ്ട് ഡെറ്റർ 3,500 ടു ക്യാഷ് ഇറ്റ് ഈസ് 2,900 and the balance in goods. So it is sales. അയാൾക്ക് വിൽക്കുക എന്നുള്ള ഒരു കൺസെപ്റ്റിൽ പോവുകയാണ്. So that is to sales, that is the difference between 3,500 and 2,900, that is 600. So in this way, you need to pass the necessary journal entries. And I will give you the problems with regard to the assignment and all like that, or assignment or homework like that. And maybe within 2 days, you need to submit it. And after the class, at the time of uploading, I will add that also. And today, next we are going to see the opening entry. What is an opening entry? So at the beginning of the year, see, if you have any doubts with regard to, say, feel free to share with me through the personal messages or the personal WhatsApp or the personal WhatsApp call or the personal call itself. So keep it in mind, you can call in that way and clear your doubts. And also, I will give you enough problems for that also in the as the practice problem. So hope you understood this, how to pass the journal entry. So today we are going to see opening entry and we will wind up the session. And if there is any doubt, please let me know by that time later on. So we will continue with the opening entry. അപ്പം ജേർണൽ എൻട്രി എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ ഇതാണ്, മനസ്സിലായല്ലോ. ആ ഗോൾഡൻ റൂൾ ഫോളോ ചെയ്തുകൊണ്ട് നമ്മൾ ചെയ്യുന്ന ഇതാണ് പ്രൊസീജിയർ ആണ്, ദറ്റ് ഈസ് ദ ജേർണൽ എൻട്രി. ദെൻ ഓപ്പണിംഗ് എൻട്രി. വാട്ട് ഈസ് ആൻ ഓപ്പണിംഗ് എൻട്രി? ഒരു ബിസിനസ് സംരംഭം തുടങ്ങുമ്പോൾ ആദ്യം ഫസ്റ്റ് എഴുതുന്ന എൻട്രിയാണ്, ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് ദ ഓപ്പണിംഗ് എൻട്രി. സോ എ ജേർണൽ എൻട്രി മെയ്ഡ് അറ്റ് ദ ബിഗിനിങ് ഓഫ് ദ ഇയർ or a new set of books is opened incorporating various assets, liabilities, and capital of the firm is called an opening entry. All the asset accounts are debited and all the liabilities accounts are credited, and also there should be a difference between the assets and the liability, the excess that should be credited to the capital account. അപ്പം എല്ലാ അസറ്റുകളും എഴുതണം. ഒരു ബിസിനസ് സംരംഭം തുടങ്ങുമ്പോൾ ഫസ്റ്റ്ലി എഴുതേണ്ട തിങ് ആണ് വിച്ച് ദ ഓപ്പണിംഗ് എൻട്രി. അപ്പൊ ആദ്യമേ all the assets or various asset account debtor to various liabilities to capital. So the difference between the assets and the liability, that is to be credited, the excess that is to be there, that is to be credited to capital account. See this entry, illustration 6. Show the opening entry from the following particulars: cash in hand, cash at bank, machinery, stock, sundry debtors, sundry creditors, bills receivable, bills payable, and loan. So how the entry is to be: various asset account debtor. So cash in hand debtor 5,000, cash at bank debtor 10,000, machinery debtor 6,000, stock debtor 7,000, debtors debtor 10,000, bills receivable debtor 3,000, to sundry creditors 5,000, to bills payable 1,000, to loan, that is the 2,000, and then take the total of the asset and take the total of the liability. So how much is the liability? 5 plus 1 6 plus 2 8, while the asset, how much it is? 13 is there, then 15, 13 13 26 plus 10 36 plus 5 41 minus how much it is there? 5, then 6 plus 2 8. Okay, how much is there? 33,000. So 33 plus 8, 41. So 41,000 is the total assets, while there is the liability, how much? Only 8,000. So the difference that is to be credited to the capital account. So that is the opening entry. So keep it in mind, this type of also will ask. So that is the case, opening entry. So today we see some more problems with regard to the journal entry, some university questions like that, and then what is the opening entry? A firm at the opening need to pass the entry with the various assets to be debited and the various liabilities to be credited, and the excess of both should be credited to the capital account. That is the opening entry. So please have a look at today's classes, and the ledger we will see in the next class, and I will give you more problems later on as exercise through the sharing through WhatsApp. So please have a look at today's classes, and please see this one. What is that I taught today? And also please clear off your doubts, and please see please see the video after uploading and confirm it also. So thank you for today.